What's up, people? Today we'll be going through the concept of scalping. Now I've got $100 account that I'll be using for the video, so let's get into it. Now the first thing I do is run a top-down analysis to know the main direction or trend the market is on, while looking for a range that I'll be focused on. Now that high and low is where I've got my range, and the reason I'm using those points is because the market did a series of consolidation at the zone before breaking out, making it a good liquidity zone. And make sure to pay attention to the time frame I'm using to get my range. It actually plays a part in this whole strategy. Now what I do next is I move to lower time frame looking for a liquidity zone, marking certain points I feel the market will react to and observing how the market's been reacting. And in this case, with all I've seen, the markets will be having a short bullish impulse to create a double top for the downtrend it's currently on. So let's enter the market and see how it all plays out. Let me go in for a second position and highlight this entry on the trading view. Now that I've gotten everything in place, I've gotten my take profits on, my stop loss and every single thing, I'm just going to increase the speed of this video, and so we can see the live action of the markets and everything. So let's just see how this whole thing plays out. And the markets have hit our take profits. Well, it's as simple as that. It doesn't really take much to scalp the market. Just know the overall direction and look for a liquidity zone, either demand or supply zone, and just observe the way the direction market is moving at the moment from the lower time frame. That's where you get what direction you are to scalp towards, and it's as simple as that. Still, I still have the overall market movement, the overall trade. Since now I've gotten a reasonable account size, I can actually take good trades on this account. But that's not what this whole video is about though. But let me just set my limits. I'm going to set the limits still on my MT5 once I'm done analyzing here. And that's just it for this video. Please don't forget to leave a like, follow, and drop your thoughts on this video in the comment section. Have a lovely day.